Coconut rum. Coconut rum. I said I wanted to do it. It didn't matter.
And I said you don't matter. Shut up.
Shut up, you blood bitch.
Hardcore free for all. Who dares wins.
You know, I was doing the exact same thing.
Fuck the nigga already.
Yeah, because we all starting in a line, so the person supposed to come toward me ran toward the fucking step.
Ooh, nigga!
Yeah! Damn! Good God, yo, that ain't even cool, yo. Hype, I suggest you talk to that man, yo. That was disgusting.
Yeah, dude.
Damn, I fucked up the traffic cone. Plug your mic all the way in, Bobby.
Huh?
Plug your mic all the way in.
Oh! He danced on that gun. And he leaving them gas petties around still.
Damn right.
You hear me good now?
Yeah.
Oh shit!
Oh shit!
Oh shit!
Get the fuck out of here.
Wow, really? Oh shit!
Yo, this nigga fucked up.
Think of this.
Oh, got him!
You think you balling because you got a grenade?
I caught you though, nigga.
Niggas, yeah, you hit. Yeah, I caught you first. Yeah, that's got tagged and bagged first.
Oh shit!
Hold on, nigga.
Every time I come up that stairwell, I'm trying to figure out where the fuck I am.
Oh shit! Yo, I hit you first.
Wow! Wow!
I don't know how you lived through that shit, yo. All you heard was the doom. Oh shit! Door. Oh man!
Oh shit!
Damn!
Yeah,
That
ugly.
nigga fucking shot the kid.
As soon as I turned the camera around, that nigga's head was gone.
This shit.
Oh, you asshole! What are you taking a nap, nigga?
Fucking right. God damn it! That's just shit. I'm about to take my rabies shot, nigga. Fuck, you get the edge.
Shut up.
Ah!
Rabies that.
Son, don't make me turn to that, nigga. I'm about to turn to that right now. Uh-oh.
Been screaming like that this entire time.
Nigga, I broke the fuck out, nigga. I was gone, nigga. Fuck that.
I should have just thrown a grenade. I don't know why I waited.
Who the fuck threw a smoke grenade?
It's John, probably. Why is it that I know that off the rip? Why did I know that off the rip?
There's a good reason for that, too.
Interesting.
Oh, you lucky ass nigga!
I'm better though.
Nigga, you back the fuck up like shit. That nigga said, ooh, interesting.
That nigga fucking... That nigga heard the shot and just started hitting this Michael Jackson real clean, yo. See, at least I can respect that. Yeah, that nigga got undressed with that shotgun.
This nigga Nori's running behind somebody.
I gotta make everything. Stop it,
Oh! I
Yo,
chased
both
this
y'all?
nigga all the way the fuck around. There's somebody downstairs like shit, too.
I thought I knifed you first.
Yeah.
Oh, that makes me mad. I chased
Yo,
that nigga
that was a
all the way the
simultaneous,
fuck
like,
around.
Mexican standoff shit.
I seen it. I seen it at the end.
Got you,
Yo, you wouldn't even get a grenade that killed me. It was my grenade. Your grenade went off and killed me.
Oh, you motherfucker! I couldn't see your ass all the way, man.
Oh shit!
Motherfucker.
Yes, indeed.
Yeah,
Thank you.
motherfucker.
Uh-huh.
Wow.
You ain't seen that little dust double edge here.
Yeah, motherfucker. It was deja vu, nigga. I was like, I ain't getting knifed this time, bitch.
Yeah, playing with the sound is a devil. I get too paranoid now.
This nigga playing bounce and got me laying the smoke down, this dirty motherfucker.
Good shit.
Interesting. Interesting.
Hold on, nigga.
Get him!
Interesting. I had the door twice. You're lucky. You're lucky.
You're fucking lying.
Yo, he was careful. He just got blocked.
Little bitch.
Yo, he was so careful though. He took his time, he slowed down. He checked one way the street and got bopped by the right. I ain't never seen something so goddamn funny in my life.
Oh, this motherfucker the Betty, man. I want to keep on going forward and have to turn back around.
Goody.
Yo, nigga, you got this shit, Prince? Oh, you bitch! Come in with drinking. You got Modern Warfare 3, nigga?
Oh, I got no Modern Warfare 3.
Oh. Got this private shit, and we're recording it.
Nigga shot a fucking rifle on shit. Hey! Woo! Nigga camping out there.
Don't be stupid, Nori.
This motherfucker spider is the campingest bitch ever. Never seen. Nigga shotgun camp like a motherfucker.
Now you know how that shit feel, nigga. You call me slipping like shit. Oh, this motherfucker fight for that shit, too, nigga.
Gotcha, bitch.
Now he came in
I
and left.
joined the left, yeah. Nice. See, at least he's running. Not like fucking some niggas like Nori who fucking run around and wait.
Yo, that shit was hilarious.
That nigga John Creek. Oh, you lucky motherfucker! Nigga John came around the corner. I was like, who's creeping like that?
I didn't think he'd see me.
Oh,
You reset it, yo. Lucky
The bad we both knifed, yo.
we both knifed at the same time. You lucky you reset before I did, yo.
What's
up, Bobby? I'm mad I had to buck you with that bitch twice. That's a creeping ass nigga with that shotgun.
I told you, son. That
That nigga's hanging from like the ceiling or some shit right now, yo. Camping on some crazy shit.
nigga is Spider-Man and shit.
Whoa, lag.
Get the fuck out of here. Fucking two giant big balls. Somebody about to get shot. Somebody about to get shot. Somebody about to get shot. Somebody about to get shot.
Oh! I shouldn't have cut the corner like that, yo.
That's the only one I got kicked out the party?
No, we all did. Wow, I was lunging at you, yo.
Somebody about to get hit. 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 I know it.
Yeah, I blind you, nigga. I did it. It was me that did it.
Keep getting kicked out of the damn party and shit.
Yeah, it took me for a while to get back into this motherfucker.
Damn. Hype caught me sitting on the couch chilling.
Oh,
I
shit.
seen you coming from a distance. I was like, you know what?
Oh, you motherfucker! I should have kept on running, yo.
You should have. You still died, though.
Nah, nigga, if I would have get... You would have had to come some stairs, motherfucker. I would have got you.
Oh, shit.
Drop down the motherfucking stairs again, nigga.
I walked into it, I seen it, I was like,
oh, shit!
God
Nigga, I came out that corner at the wrong time.
That nigga went right back around the corner.
Fuck you, Hype. That fucking grenade fucked me up. I just had fun, though. I came into a fuck.
I was chasing Hype. Fuck yeah, I was chasing your ass too.
Oh, the nigga was flash fall like a motherfucker!
Stupid.
You lucky
Save my first deal.
You about to die, though, nigga. You know that was bullshit fight, cause I shot you right in your fucking back.
Well, that's your problem. Stop being a bitch ass nigga and hit me in the face.
Oh!
I tell you, hit me in the face. Hit me in the face. Hit me in the face. You ain't got no more.
Y'all niggas, that gotta be, that's you drop shooting like that. That's Hype only drop shoots a shotgun.
What?
Ah! Don't moonwalk on me, nigga.
Bitch. You could eat a whole bunch of baby dicks.
Woo!
That nigga got dropped. Yeah.
Good Lord Almighty. That nigga ripped me. But that too shall go avenged. I know he's going on a little bit of a kill streak, yo. Got to stop all that jazz.
Somebody about to get shot. But grenade! I see that shit.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
I seen that shit coming, I was like, fuck, I can't do something.
Somebody behind me. I don't like it.
OG Bobby
Oh
Johnson.
shit.
Fuck that. Got me killed though.
Someone's behind me and I can't tell which direction.
Wow, really? What the fuck just happened there?
I'm lucky that you missed through that.
Sorry, missed
Oh
like
man.
two.
Oh man, I thought I hit you clean, yo.
Yeah, it looked like it. I was
Oh, what the fuck? Yeah, that's what you get, Hype.
Somebody just touched the country from Word.
That's what you get, Hype. Get involved in niggas' shit. That's what you get, motherfucker. Stop.
Oh,
shit! Grenade throwing ass bitch.
Oh! You fucking! This nigga was right in the sun. He was not. No, he wasn't right in the He was playing his trip for the last 3 years. This nigga was on. This nigga was on kayak playing in a trip. Waiting there.
You pussy ass nigga, yo.
Gotcha, bitch.
This motherfucker, son.
Bobby taught me that shit.
Ah! I did, but it didn't work.
He said I did, but it didn't work.
Hey, Nori.
I know, I
Oh, you last piece of shit! Oh, you motherfucker! Nigga sitting on legends and shit now? Okay, nigga, that's
Nori jumps up.
Yo, I'm mad as shit for that shit, yeah.
Nori, stop running!
I was running. I was running like shit.
Stop running, nigga! Make me fucking work. What's wrong with you? Stop looking for me.
I know I've seen you. I've seen your bitch.
You ain't seen shit. Y'all is over here.
I got you.
Oh! Ooh, this nigga fight. Oh
Yeah,
my god.
yeah, I was about to hit you with the
Who's
rocket.
this in the corner? Look at these niggas in the fucking corner, yo. This little motherfucker. Put it in like shit, too. Who the fuck running my bed? This motherfucker! I was going out to that
This nigga Nori is the definition of going somewhere fast and somewhere nowhere in the fucking hurry and shit. This nigga fucking ran mad fast and John just stopped that nigga clean, yo.
Oh my god, son. That's 3 kills I should have had right there, son. That nigga John fucked my shit up, yeah. I was mad as shit.
Oh, this nigga. Oh, get the. What the fuck?
Using slugs, bitch. Using slugs.
Ah, shit.
I think John was here.
He was. That fucking Betty shit's over there.
That one makes me
Oh
think
my
that.
god.
Oh, you bitch, Hype!
Oh, I was gonna kill you. I ain't think your name would kill himself. That's what I get.
I thought I was clean and clear. I was waiting for you to come to me.
Oh, come on, fight! Are you shitting me, nigga?
Fast on the trigger.
You was too fucking low for me to get to you anyway. I might go up the stairs again. I just spawned, nigga! I just fucking spawned! I didn't get a step and I got butt. Oh, nigga, fuck yeah. This nigga chasing the fuck out of this nigga.
Oh, shit! I knew you was behind me. I was like, wait a second, where'd he go?
Every time John runs into a corner, he just gets popped by me.
Oh my god!
Damn.
Give me those cookies, nigga.
Nigga, I've died like 6 times in a row, dog.
I just got a shot in a random direction and got you.
Oh, shit!
Stop that shit. Only I can do that.
No, nigga.
Ledge jumping bitch. I knew you was on a ledge too. I was like, yo, I'm gonna catch
He
this
just
nigga
jumped
off
right
that ledge.
on him, too.
Yeah, I died.
Oh, bitch!
Nigga,
I died 8 straight
Bob,
times.
it is crazy out there.
Yo, it is not safe going to Legends at all.
Oh, shit!
Gotcha, motherfucker.
It's like a ding, ding, ding.
But she had enough time to land.
Oh,
for
good
me to
shit.
Say, oh shit. And I still couldn't get away.
Ooh.
Nah, some concussion. Concussion. Oh, he's a bitch. That nigga owe me money. I want boots, Dooney!
Jumped out the window.
Oh, that's a lie. I shot first.
Oh shit.
No, I heard this nigga say, who jumped out the window? And it's like,
man.
Shit, I was kind of interested to see myself. That's why I did that like that.
This thing got a rocket launcher on his back. Stop stealing that shit. I'm appalled.
No!
Oh, this nigga's fucking Betty, dog. Oh my god, this whole ass nigga.
Get up, man. No!
I had two of y'all niggas, man.
damn.
That nigga got hit with a silent shotgun. I see how it is.
I try to go in the smoke, son. I try to go in the smoke and die, nigga.
Wow.
I seen that smoke. I feel a run for it. Run for the smoke.
It's so funny watching that nigga on Rory. Again, my controller fucks up.
Oh, get the fuck out. That's bullshit right there, man.
Bullshit is pulling
That's
the
a Betty.
trigger and having to knock him out. I got Stalker on first off. So
Oh shit! I had a nigga in front of me, dog. I had to stop, yo. I was like, fuck.
No, let me get him again. Yo, that's like twice you shot me. I think it was flash and everything, yo.
That nigga said, ah! Alright, John's punk ass.
It ain't me.
That gotta be Bobby's whole ass. Can't even walk through the fucking front door. Oh, I blew myself up?
Yeah, damn sure is. So I just shot him in the face.
Hello?
Yeah.
What the fuck is going on? It's fucking...
Oh, God! Jesus.
Oh!
Get the fuck out of here! Son, oh, good. Get that nigga. Fuck that
Playing a dick. Hey.
Nigga cheating.
There you go throwing that Betty shit again. Oh ass nigga.
I seen it too, but I thought I could run past it.
Oh! You motherfucker, you saw where that grenade was coming from and turned your ass around. I said, oh man.
Again!
Fucking John punk ass. Oh, you pussy!
I watched that shit. I got the nice little
Nah, little bitch. That nigga shot right by the pottery, dog.
Bitch, you motherfucker.
Oh, I missed that nigga. Oh, man.
Oh, good shit.
Thank you, sir.
I just hope you stay over in that area. I'll find you.
No.
Oh, you motherfucker. This nigga John's man. Oh, you about to die, nigga. You about to die. Oh, shit. And this nigga fight caught me slipping.
Grenade at both of y'all. I was gonna let y'all fight and just pick up. You really went back to the spot? You know what? Alright. I was gonna be nice about this shit. Now I'm not. I'm gonna give you a fucking bullet enema.
Gotcha, motherfucker.
I'm just laughing because I was
you lucky good shot.
fighting the exact same spot twice.
Yeah, you know what? That's right. Like I said, I'm gonna give you a bullet enema. It's just gonna be nice and fucked up.
Nigga's got 2 dead bodies right next to each
other. Oh, I just spawned it! I just spawned it! I was I'm spectating this. I spawned this nigga bucks me, yo.
Oh my god, there was too many people around me. Yo, I took 6 steps and I felt somebody behind me, so I just threw a flash grenade behind me.
Thank you, sir.
Ah! You fucking this spider motherfucker, son. You really like a spider and shit. Hiding webs and shit. Fucker.
Oh, I was looking for somebody, hype.
Oh, this creeping ass! John's the only nigga creeping with that fucking shotgun, dog. Yes.
I hit you with the fucking grenade.
Nigga fight, man.
I damn sure hit him with that fucking grenade.
Might about to get shot in the back. I'm about to get shot in the back.
You lucky motherfucker! Oh my god! That nigga got that gun right in my chest, dog. That shit, I shot. Oh my god! I shot this nigga's belly and blew the fuck up, dog.
Told you I was gonna fight you slipping.
Niggas got auto aim and shit.
Auto tuning this shit.
Steady throwing ass niggas, man. Fuck.
You know what's funny? That's 3 times that shit happened. I got there after you did, so I shot you in the back. I get there the first time and that nigga lifted my entire shit.
Oh! No, I've seen this motherfucker.
Don't run from me.
This nigga know he's trying to snipe with it. Oh, he really sniped with it! He really sniped with the fucking shotgun!
I shot you in your back, nigga, and I chased you. Oh shit! John, you pussy! You gonna stay in a little room, you faggot? And they got that shit booby trapped.
Why'd you go out there and do that, man? I just want him. That's all I wanted to do. And I would have been good. You could have been chill. But no.
Time's almost up.
Ah, damn it, I was watching you two. Wait till you hit it.
Whatever you throw. Throw whatever you throw. Throw whatever you want to throw.
This boy's nigga fight. Oh, shit.
Kick them grenades at you right back and I fuck that shit right in your face.
Oh shit! Wow. Wow. I have no idea either. Shit was dead on, yeah. That shit was dead on.
Fuck y'all. Shut up.